We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we're doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to our customers' needs. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.